Hello, I'm Tiffany from Tiffany's So Talented.
Good morning, good morning. So I want to give you a progress update on this dress here. It's pretty much done. I really just gotta get into these sleeves. I'm gonna do that next on a small project alert. And let me show you, I took the belt off because I want to show you, let you get into it. So I definitely stoned under the belt just in case she wants to wear it without the belt. Even though it's, oh my God, this dress is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the way the back is just naked too. So she's gonna, it's gonna be sexy. It's gonna be romantic. You can do all kind of dances in this dress. But it's a work of art. It really is. Okay, so I put the belt back on. But I really do. It looks like it could be an all-around dress to me. You could do Latin dances in this dress. You can do a version of a smooth dance in this dress. I think it looks amazing with the belt. The way these gigantic size 50 Swarovski baguettes is hidden, I'm just saying. the way that they just bring out something special, well, it does to me. And it just makes it look more rich, more lush, more expensive. I like it a lot. Now, let's get into these sleeves.